Welcome back to Home Decor Hub, exploring the beauty and versatility of wooden furniture. Wooden furniture has stood the test of time as a timeless choice for interior decor, whether it's classic oak dining table or a sleek walnut bookshelf. Wooden furniture adds warmth, elegance, and a touch of nature to any space. In this video, we will dive into the world of wooden furniture, discussing its benefit, popular types, maintenance tips, and how to choose the perfect piece for your home. So let's dive right in. Unique wooden accent wall. One way to make a statement with wooden furniture is by creating a unique wooden accent wall. Choose a wall in your living room, a bedroom, and cover it with reclaimed or shine wooden panels. These add warmth, texture, and an instant rustic charm to your space. Decorative carving and engraving. Consider adding wooden furniture with decorative carving and engraving. These intricate details can transform a simple piece into a work of art. Look for furniture with floral patterns, geometric design, or even personalized engraving that reflect your unique style. Mixing wood with other materials. Don't be afraid to mix different materials with wood to create an interesting visual contrast. Combine wooden furniture with metals accents for an industrial look, or pair it with glass elements for a modern touch. This fusion of materials add depth and sophistication to your interior. Incorporating natural elements. Wooden furniture goes hand in hand with nature inspired decor. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural elements. Place potted plants, fresh flowers, or a small indoor herb garden on your wooden furniture to create a harmonious and refreshing atmosphere. Personalized DIY upcycling. Give your old wooden furniture a new lease on life with personalized DIY upcycling projects. Plan or stain your furniture in a vibrant color or distress it for a vintage look. Add your own artistic touches such as steel design or decors to create a truly unique piece that reflects your personality. And there you have it, fantastic wooden furniture decoration ideas to elevate your home decor. Whether you are a fan of rustic charm, modern sophistication, or a fusion of style, wooden furniture offers endless possibilities. Let us know in the comments below which idea you like the most. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decoration ideas. Until next time, happy decorating!